Welcome back to Current with Jack. Your setup keeps flickering, your audio keeps dropping out, you think your expensive gear is broken? It's not. It's your copper cable. Today, we are making the switch to glass. You spend thousands on a pristine OLED TV or a massive 240Hz gaming monitor, but when you run a cable across a room, disaster strikes. Your screen randomly goes black mid-game, or your Dolby Atmos soundbar stutters, or you just get a blue screen. I promise you, your gear isn't broken. Your copper cable is suffocating. Copper is great for a short 1 meter run, but push heavy 4K data further than 3 meters, electrical resistance destroys the signal. It physically cannot handle the bandwidth. The solution? We stop using copper. Enter Active Optical Cables, AOC. Instead of using copper wires, it uses fiber optic glass. A tiny microchip inside the connector takes your signal and converts it into laser light. It shoots that light across the room with zero loss and zero added lag. For PC gamers, this is the ultimate flex. Want a completely silent, clean desk? Put your loud gaming PC in a closet, run a 10-meter DisplayPort glass cable to your monitor. You still get uncompressed 4K at 240Hz. Every single frame arrives on time. For the home cinema, this is mandatory. Running a cable through a wall to your TV, standard HDMI will choke on a PS5 or an AV receiver. Glass is the only way to guarantee 48 GB per second. Perfect 4K HDR, lossless Dolby Atmos, zero dropouts. Now, on to this point, for things like projectors, where you might be getting a cable that runs between 10 and 20 meters or maybe even more, I would definitely recommend getting a active optical cable, because otherwise you are going to experience loss in visual quality and sound. So this is a must-have if you're running a long cable. Stop putting up with black screens. Upgrade your setup to glass today. Our friends at Wrekin AV stock premium certified optical cables. They have both HDMI and DisplayPort ready to go. You can use our code CWJ10 at checkout for 10% off. The link is right at the top of the description. I'm also going to list some key products which I think you should check out in the description as well. Remember this, you didn't buy a broken TV, you didn't buy a bad graphics card, you just bought a dying copper cable. You need to upgrade to glass. So remember that. And I think that's very much the point of this video, is that if you're struggling with your visual quality or audio, or you're getting some static on your TV, or your audio's dropping out, and you're running a long cable which goes say 15 to 20 meter, it's probably your cable which is the issue. It's not always a cable, it might be something else, it might be the way you plugged it in, could be what you're using, it might be that. But more than likely, if everything is fine, it's all plugged in correctly, it should all work, but you're having issues and you've got a long cable one, it is very likely your cable. So make sure that you buy an active optical cable. Are you making the switch to optical? Let me know in the comments below. Drop a like, grab that Wrekin AV discount, and join the Discord. I'll see you guys next week. Stay current.